What's up, guys?
You already know what this is.
Let's open her up. All right, that's annoying. All right, there it is. Well, I do not plan on doing the wide max upgrade just yet. I want to drive this thing around. It is straight out of the box. Probably first on 3S, and then I'll bump it up to 4S. Got some batteries on order. Wanted to try out these SMC graphene battery packs everyone's raving about. So, but yeah, there's the unboxing. I mean, there's some instructions and stuff that, you know, most of you guys probably don't care about. So, I mean, I'm kind of looking at this and I thought I did a bad job with gluing the tires. Glad I'm not the only one. Nice and plush. Yep. Nice. Probably going to keep this as my skate park basher, backyard basher. These, the Armas that I got, I mean, they're kind of a handful in my backyard. Just don't have the room for them. But this looks like the perfect size. As I progress into this hobby, I find that, you know, I prefer bashing, obviously, and jumps. And the first Traxxas basher I got wasn't even a basher. It was a short course truck. And this thing parachutes every time you launch it. It doesn't backflip very well. So this should be a good replacement for that. Yeah, let's see how it holds up. Ooh, oh, there's your first durability test. Ooh, interesting. Jesus. Side back in. All right. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh. Nope. Hey, that's one of two of my light stands. Come on. There we go. All right, what's up, guys? So my impressions on the Max on 3S. This thing's a little animal. I really dig it on 3S, though I feel like it's a little bit too heavy for 3S. So getting the 4S batteries in a couple of days here, so I'll do another video to follow up and just kind of give you my thoughts on it. So what are the things that I like about this? Well, if you saw in the video, you saw that I was constantly rolling this thing back over. I don't think that's anything different than what other YouTubers have already been saying, but it is a little annoying, and I see why Traxxas built in that auto flipping feature, which, by the way, doesn't work very well with 3S. So yeah, that's one of my biggest complaints, and now I got to go spend $50 at least on the Wide Max kit just to get it to not roll over. And another thing I didn't really care for was the front suspension here is actually pretty low. Yeah, I jump off of the basketball court area and it doesn't like it. So hopefully with the Wide Max kit, it moves the rear springs to the front, raises it up a little bit, give me a little bit more clearance there. So next gripe is probably the body. This thing's pretty flimsy and cheap feeling. I do have a heavy duty body that I'll get to next and probably do a custom paint job on it. Nothing too crazy. And run this in the hand. This thing feels so much sturdier than that body. I mean, I love the solar flare look, but yeah, it's just really flimsy. I mean, you take a look here. I landed this thing on its back a couple of times, and there's already indents and stuff like that. So one of the other things that is not quite a dislike, but more of an observation, is that it's loud. When it lands from a jump, it sounds like things are breaking. Chassis slaps are really loud. I think some of it is attributed to the body just kind of being really cheap, and when it slams down on the body, it really does make it sound louder than it really is. Other than the whole landing thing, though, I mean, that's the other thing I really like about the Max, is that it's freaking quiet. Like sewing machine quiet, and that's a good thing, right? I hesitate to run the Armas because, man, it like wakes up the whole neighborhood, whether it's landing or whether it's just driving around. It sounds like a Ducati with a dry clutch, friggin' forks and spoons in a bag in a box rumbling around. All right, and the last thing that I really like about this truck is the inside. I mean, this thing stays clean. You got a lot of dead grass in the backyard. And when I run my Slash or the DB Pro, even the Outcast and the Creighton, they all get dirty. But not this guy because of these high fenders here. So love those designs. So yeah, those are my quick thoughts. No other complaints. I can see why people love this truck. I like it. It's going to be one of the ones I run often. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. And look out for the next video on 4S. I'm going to try to take it to the skate park and see what kind of damage I can do there. All right, until next time.